Yes. So one of the important quality of accounting is it cures the problem of business. So how will you remember the shortcut? Cure. C stands for U stands for understandability. R stands for relevance. And E stands for error free, which means reliable. Now, comparability. How does it become comparable? Every year we prepare accounts by following same methods and rules. Reason: if last year you prepare accounts by a different method, this year you prepare accounts by a different method, then profit figures will also change because of the methods. So you cannot compare your current year's performance with the past year. When can you compare the current years with past years? When you follow same methods and rules of accounting every year. So how does the accounting become comparable? How does the accounting become comparable? By following same rules and methods every year. Uniformity is maintained. Okay, so in accounting we don't follow the principle change is the spice of life. Okay, in accounting we don't follow that. Here we don't make changes until and unless it is very much desired, otherwise we don't make any changes. Therefore it becomes comparable. Understandability means we follow rules, scientific rules like we studied today. So all the transactions, effects, etc. are given with proper rules which makes it easily understandable. Then accounting gives you all the informations, incomes, expenses, assets, liabilities. So wherever they are required, they can be used as relevance. For example, if you want to take a bank loan, then what will bank require from you? If you want to borrow a bank loan, then bank will verify your income. Not only your income, your expenses also. Your financial position also, which means assets and liabilities. Where can they get all this information? From books of accounts. So it provides all the relevant information, whosoever needs it. Stakeholders we studied. So various stakeholders, whatever information is required by them, accounting provides that relevant information. Okay, and reliable. Okay, qualitative characteristics means it should be reliable. There should not be any mistakes in the books of accounts. So characteristics means they are there, and qualitative characteristics means this should be there. You should follow this when you make accounts. What's the difference? Characteristics means they are already there in accounting, and qualitative means when you make accounts, you should follow these rules. What rules? Follow the same methods so that it becomes comparable. Secondly, follow the proper rules so that it becomes understandable. Make it in such a manner that everyone can get the relevant information, and don't make any mistakes in the books of accounts. It should be reliable, it should be error-free. So characteristics means they are already there, and qualitative means this should be maintained when you prepare the books of accounts. Able to understand this? Give me one textbook. I'll make you underline the main points. Look at page number 7. So in exams, you'll see it carefully. Are you asked characteristics or are you asked qualitative? Okay. Page 7, point number 7. Can you see that qualitative characteristics of accounting information is given? It's in reverse order. C is the fourth point, U is the third point, R is the second point, E is the first point. Completely reverse order. See the next page, last point, what is it? Comparability. Write down C on the left side. And underline the second sentence. Accounting information. Shall I do it with pen? Sure. Underline the second sentence. Accounting information should be prepared and presented in such a manner where user can undertake comparison of profitability and economic solvency of two periods. And when can you compare this for two periods? When you follow same rules and methods every year. Okay. Understandability. So underline second line again. Understandability means provided information should have clear meaning. The next to next line, accounting has its own terminology, rules and principles. So this kind of rules. We follow those rules so that things become understandable. Relevance means, underline again the second line. Relevance is that kind of characteristic which assists. Assists means helps. Which helps users to take decisions based on this information. I told you various stakeholders are there. They can get all the relevant information from books of accounts. And reliability. So underline the second line. The task of information preparer is to sustain the trust of users. And next sentence also. So the prepared information has to be completely errorless. Any doubts in that? So all of you okay with this point? Now see in your homework. Today you have done. What happened? In your homework today you have already done with illustration 4. So tomorrow your homework is illustration 5. You also have the test on Saturday, so you need to practice it. Illustration 5 and assignment exercise question 5. Illustration 5 and assignment exercise question 5. And I said to you, you'll make certain columns and come. Understand which columns you'll make. Serial number. Don't write it, just be attentive. I'll tell you and I'll guide you how I want that format in your notebook. Serial number, effects. Keep more space for effects. Name of account. Account is written as A/C. Type of account. Then just rules we have studied today. So rules of debit and credit. Then one more column of debit or credit and amount. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 columns should be there. Give me one notebook. See, when you make these 7 columns, use 2 pages simultaneously. Do this in classwork notebook and come. 2 pages simultaneously. Up till name of account, 3 columns. Write it on 1 page. So serial number, then big space for and small space for name of accounts. Then on the other side of the page, you make the column of small column of type of account. Again, big column of rules. You can see this we have to write. So big column of rules and small column of debit, credit and amount. So 3 columns on the left side of the page, 4 columns on the right side. This thing you make for 4-5 pages and come. So when we solve in the class, you don't have to waste time in making those lines again. Okay. Bye everyone.